I just want to see, is StreamYard going to actually work here? And yeah, it actually should. Um, just to see, I'll be inviting a guest on later on, and I just want to check just to make sure that we are in business. I'm drinking I love in my coffee, cup of coffee. I love New York. Don't even know where I got that mug. I've never been to New York. I'd like to at some stage, but no, I never have been. Just want to see, will this actually exit solo layout? Don't know what that actually will do. Um, Camera. Okay, put it back on again. Um, you can invite a guest, and yeah, how do you invite a guest? Invite guests. Send this link to your guests. You may also want to share instructions for your guests. You can have up to 6 people on the screen at once. Upgrade if you need more. Okay, 6 people. Yeah, I should be able to work this now at the end. Yeah, we will soon see, and we will have Shun on later on, hopefully.